Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're checking out the Super Farm, and it's currently on Binance listed as Super. And by the way, guys, if you're holding on to the Super, please be sure to hit that subscribe button because I will be reviewing the Super plenty of times on Crypto Intel. So if you do want to have some intel on this beautiful little crypto asset, please let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely be sure to update you as many times as I can. And also, I trade since 2017, and I do anywhere from 30 to 40 flips on a daily basis. Of course, on days like this, you can't really win, but on beautiful days, you can definitely make very beautiful profits. And still, when you are on a market that is sideways, and what I mean by sideways is, for example, imagine that you have a curve like that and it's going downwards like this, or let's say the curve is like this and it's going downwards like this, or you have a curve like this. um, you can always make profit even if it's going like this and like that. Always you can generate green. And I will be definitely showing how to do that in upcoming videos via live streams and all that. So definitely be sure to stay subscribed to the channel if you are brand new. For the subs already here, sorry about the blurb. So let's check it out. 41 million is the actual volume in USDT for the past 24 hours, which is, not that bad for a crypto asset in Binance because there's a lot of them being traded. And as you can see, actually, mostly are being traded at volumes at like a billion or more. So check this out. So 3 billion bucks for the BTC, 1.6 billion for the ETH. So the closest one right now is Chile's CHZ, which is being traded at almost a billion bucks. So as you can see, there's not a lot of trading going on. This is what generates market volatility simply because the order books are not too active. As you can see right here on this panel right here for those that are new to crypto. So these are the order books. You got the sales, you got the purchases. These are the orders that people put. And it's like, imagine you're gambling and you get two sides of the table. And there's just two parties trying to predict what way the crypto asset will go. So these guys are betting that it will be at a higher cost, and these guys are betting that it would be at a lower cost. So basically, these guys are the bulls, these guys are the bears. This is the way it works in crypto. So basically, look, guys, for the super farm, um, it was the only one that actually fared really, really well. Um, it had a 18% rise today. Well, not today, but in the past 24 hours, which is incredible considering the fact that all of the other ones tanked. Now, the only explanation for this is really simple. It looks like all of the cryptos are extremely dependent upon the Bitcoin price, and this has been the truth since the dawn of the Bitcoin, actually, guys. So you're probably asking yourself, is this a good time to put money into SuperFarm? Well, let's have a look. And by the way, guys, if you have any specific questions, one-on-one questions that I don't necessarily cover in episodes, you can definitely message me on Patreon. You can do that by supporting the channel by selecting the Patreon plan, and then you have the instant messenger where you can ask me pretty much anytime, anything about crypto. Let's say that you want to know if it's a good time to get out or if it's a good time to get in a position in crypto. Well, you can definitely do that via the link that Patreon provides down below. So that being said, guys, right now it's very, very dangerous to get in on the super farm simply because of this volume right here. So as you can see, there has been a lot of purchase orders. So this has put like a huge weight on top of the people right here. So if you're gonna buy, most of these people are gonna sell to earn their profits. And let me just show you what I mean. Check this out. So as you can see, let me just zoom out a little bit here. There you go. So the blow up has already happened, right? And the blow up was on the micro level at the 5-minute candle stick level. So you got this price agreement that blew up, then this price agreement. Then as you can see, it's currently falling all the way from 85 cents down towards the 65 cents right now. So definitely trying to kind of get back to its previous resistance level. Although it is a little bit hard to say what is exactly going to happen, but one thing's for sure is this thing right here. So when you got such a huge pump, normally, guys, what happens is that most of these people, again, they want to sell because look, these guys, you see, they're in this position right here. So they're xing, meaning that they're multiplying their values. So if they didn't sell already, there's ton of them that made about 30%. So they're just waiting for this thing to stabilize, or they can just get out when they want. And probably they already started to get out in the red right here. So yeah, basically yes, it could actually bump up to this level right here, the previous support level at 70 cents. But that is well, it is likely by 40%, I guess. It might also repump, but then it might re-dump, unfortunately. Well, it's really hard to say already at this distances, but normally when it drops so low after after dump, sorry, you can definitely see that there are pumps generating, and it really depends on how the market feels. And have a look here. Look at all of this activity right here versus this. So all of this activity trumps this activity right here. Think about it, guys. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. So basically, it's a little bit dangerous to get in. Of course, it can pump, and it probably will be if it does pump. And by the way, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please always be sure to ask your grandmother for advice before investing in crypto because she knows everything, right? So here, probably that will get to the $1.40 approximately. So this is where the next pump is. It might even pump even more because it looks like it is kind of protected against all of these problems with the Bitcoin right now. The more it falls, it looks like the better it fares. But it definitely was on a consecutive fall for one hell of a long time. As you can see, we had a breakout right here, finally. But I would still kind of find it a little bit dangerous to invest. So there's definitely other crypto assets that have way more potential than the super farm right now that I have listed in my previous videos. But guys, if you're unsure, what you can do is like take 25% of your budget and put it on this one so that at least you have some of your crypto budget on a potentially explosive crypto. So yeah, guys, this is basically what is my point of view. I'd love to learn your point of view. Let me know in the comments down below, and please hit that like button if you did like this video, and of course hit subscribe if you did find this content valuable, to stay tuned for many more episodes that are upcoming regarding the super farm and of course other altcoin news. All right, guys, so see you all in the next episode. Cheers.